Hi guys, good morning. It is our third day here in Timisoara. So today we just want to go out in the morning because today will be the hottest day since we arrived here. They announce 32 degrees Celsius. So I just want to go out and to search some coffees. Maybe I will succeed to do some coffee hopping, and I want to go to a local salon just to have a nice wash, maybe a scalp treatment, and maybe will cut a little bit of my hair because like you see my mid ends tend to be dryers, so I don't like this scrunchy feeling of my hair. I miss my soft hair when I just use color on my hair when I was brunette, but I guess this is the main fact that I have dry hair. My bleaching session damage my hair, so now all I have to do is to pay a lot of attention of what product I use. I bought K18 like I told you in the last video. So with K18 and today with a hair treatment and a nice cut, maybe I will succeed to grow out my hair longer and healthy. And I was thinking of doing some highlight, but I'm not so sure because we are in a new town, so I don't know the hairdresser or the salons. So I don't know if I will dare, but with some thought and some treatment, I guess will be okay. So I will take you with me today in this hot day. We want to be home until midday, so until afternoon. So we'll take an Uber and we'll go. Stay tuned, guys. So I just came up from the salon. I like how she cut my hair and style a little bit. I'm so put together now, and we're ready to go to have a nice cup of coffee. So we just stopped to have a breakfast and a coffee in this cold place. So it is afternoon now, and I just came from the city. I just cut my hair. I'm so happy with the result. She did an amazing job. Although I don't even go never at this salon, but I read good reviews on Instagram, so I went there. She washed my hair, do a nice scalp treatment for my dry scalp, she cut my hair a little bit and it feels so fresh. So guys, if you have blonde hair, balayage, highlights, I highly recommend you to cut when you feel the ends that are crunchy and not so soft. It gives a very nice vibe. So now I'm ready to take care of my hair, having the K18 mask, leave-in molecular mask, and now having short hair. My hairdresser, when I go back home, will be surprised when she will see me with short hair, but it isn't so short, so I can wear it up in a bun or straight. She also curled my hair, but it is so hot, guys. We have 39 degrees Celsius and today will be 42, so will be the hottest day since we arrived here. Maybe today will be the last day with that hot temperature, so tomorrow we'll have 37, after 35, so we'll drop a little bit. We want in a day to go to an aqua park here and just to enjoy the sun and the water. Now we just want to relax home. Like you see in this video, I went to the hairdresser salon after we have a nice and refreshing salad with a latte at a nice place in the center of the town. So now we are home. I just want to chill out and do nothing. Maybe I will read a little bit, but today we'll stay home. Maybe in the evening at 9-10 p.m. we'll go out for a walk just to refresh a little bit our space, because we don't have a air conditioner. So when we book this apartment, I didn't ask if she has air conditioner, but I suppose that she will have, but she didn't. So this is life. It is okay, but was better with air conditioner. But we leave the window open, so the air in the morning and in the evening, the fresh air comes to our apartment, and it is okay. I have a nice refreshing nights here. The bed isn't so comfortable, so I have some back pain, but it is okay. It is quiet, it is spacious, so it is a nice place. Maybe the next year, if we'll come here again, we'll choose from Airbnb other type of apartment with air conditioner at least, but for the moment it is okay. So I want to show you guys from the salon what I bought. So I was surprised that they have Medavita product. I was using in the past the Medavita files for hair loss, so I bought the Ice Blonde Enhancing Shampoo. It has hyaluronic acid, hydrolyzed collagen and ceramide. She told me that is very good for my scalp and for my color also. She washed my hair with an shampoo from also from Medavita for dry scalp or sensitive scalp, something like this, but she didn't have in the salon. So I bought this. I'm so anxious to test it out. I know that Medavita has very good product. I also can order this online. It has pH 5 and is paraben free. So I wanted to test it out to see how will goes to my hair. It is made in Italy because Medavita, it is an Italian brand. It also have this purple pigment, but smells so good, guys, but didn't leave the hair dry. So I will keep you updated with what we do in the next day, and thank you very much for being here and watching my video. I will see you next day. Bye bye, guys.